In the Music Tutor app, you click on Note Reference, and then the next page you click on Treble Reference. Get to the next page. In music, each note represents a sound. The notes are named A, B, C, D, E, F, G. The staff is made up of 5 lines and 4 spaces, counted upwards. The notes are written on and between the lines of a staff. Notes are named according to the clef. The clef shown above is a treble clef, also known as the G clef. Short additional lines below or above the staff are called ledger lines. Scroll horizontally over the notes shown above to view the various positions of every note. We have here the treble staff placement for key F, G, A, B, C. Key D, E, F, G, A. Key B, C, D, E, F. Key G, A, B, C, D. And finally, the position for key E.